What's up everybody and welcome back to The Exposure. If this is your first time here, welcome and Happy New Year. Today I'm starting my new year at Shichahai Ice Rink, and when you get here the first thing that you have to do is to scan over there. They have a scan, a QR code that you have to scan for you to fill up your details and pay up before you get inside. So you have different time slots. There is from 9 to 12, from 12 to 3, and from 3 to 6. So you can choose whatever that you want to do and have fun. Follow me, you guys. Okay.
不行，
此票已经核销完成，
两人啊，
两个。
复核验票成功。
So now what you have to do is find yourself a ice cycle. I don't know what it's called. I think it's a bicycle. Ice bicycle. I don't know. Cycle something. Come on. Oh yeah, you really have to be careful.
对，它就是一点，就上面就劈个叉的。
I think let's go that side first. Okay, truth be told, this is not as easy as I thought it was gonna be. This is really hard. I cannot control these steerings. I cannot control the wheels. It's hectic. Like there are a lot of cracks on the ice already, and some parts of the ice looks like they're gonna just collapse.